Hello everyone, welcome to week 5. We're going to talk about the writing process, how to write essays, chapter 11 and chapter 12. Some really cool information in here, how to find the information you need to write an effective essay. So, of course, you have one lecture. It's about 15 minutes long, so we kind of keep them short like we talked about to try to make sure that you get through it and you understand the material. And then, of course, you have chapter 11 and chapter 12 PowerPoint slides. Homework on only chapter 12, and then a discussion post about the writing process and writing essays. Further, I think there's some great information in this chapter that you're really going to enjoy. Make sure you really take a hard look at Google Scholar. It'll be a lifesaver in finding research in the future. If you need anything, don't hesitate to reach out. Remember, you have homework and discussion board, which is due this week. That week starts, of course, on January 30th, which is a Monday, because your last week's material is due tomorrow, January 29th, by end of day. Thanks so much. Reach out if you need anything.